Have you ever thought about using a leaf blower to dry your car off after you wash it to prevent water spotting? Give it a shot. Coming up next. So the multiple benefits of using a leaf blower when you get finished washing your vehicle is that you can go ahead and start drying the paint. So especially when the sun is out, you can beat the sun on evaporating the water, leaving behind the minerals, which is what water spots are. So that will help that. That will also clear out a lot of your hard to get areas, such as under like vent guards. If you have vent guards behind your side mirrors, because you're not going to get in there with a towel. All your trim here, all this works. This is perfect for that. And also, before you start doing any paint correcting and or waxing, you make sure you get all the water out of these little spots so the water won't be beat up and drip down, causing you problems as you're trying to work. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. Feel free to share with a friend on your social media platform. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Check out our other videos. With that being said, be safe, be blessed, and until next time.